Allow me to take you down memory lane and tell you about the lives of young prisoners in jail. It was so sorrowful to see a 15-year-old living his life in chains, seeing his dreams and hopes perishing in vain. Back then we, as a youth in jail, our future was shaded in black. But a loving father appeared from nowhere as a shining light, and he gave those imprisoned kids at Malkens a light that removed the dark. I remember it was 2010 when things began to turn, lifeless and hopeless, our lives began to change. Till 2015, 7 August, when his plan fell into place, that's when Iflamasango came into place. Hambagahle emgazini. Ingumbi bangenile enkundleni but kwanela fika wena correctionalist nanesikandaba laqala lashintsha lelitsaba nawuqala kufaka inzaba yakho eVlamasango kulabazala nasesibayini kwabonakala ukuthi umqondo wakho uphusile naliqatulula lolitsaba kwavele kwakhanya leselikusaseni lebantwana belinqumba buyile baphethe ama-masters emakhaya bakhala abadala emva emakhaya beniwa injabulo kwazi wanquma namakwanjabulo kamakhelwane ukuthi angimikise injabulo eVlamasango mhlambe nakimi kungavuseleleki injabulo kube kuphumelela komaphupho emfaneleke ngasasifo ngoba kuvakele ukuthi wena mgazi uvulile tandla takho bamukela abantwana lebe balahliwe emangweni ulibuyisile lithemba nakulabo lebe baqhwele ekhotheni wavuselela nenjabulo nabatala lebe bakhulile emoyeni usikhokhile egangeni wasifaka shiqe esikolweni usikhokhile endlaleni wasibekela sinkwetafuleni nguwe sobethu losilethele lifuba lesipile empilweni became a hero ndaba ezitha nathi sifile sesibawubona benjani sizitha but indlela isende emgazi nasephasini bayakuthinga uma kulo mgazi uma lekwazulu kwezala iswazini ethunywe kulohleti phezulu kwezala evision Vlamasang ukuthi abantwana bawele phansi wababeka phezulu. I'm talking today with teachers, engineers, pharmacists, even nurses because of your vision ndaba ezitha asemibunkazi akuleyo ndawo. Lapho sidinane but uzenzile impilo zethu zaba melula ngokukhulu from yamawada 8 wayenza ehluka asubabuke isicwaba siphathanga mina bamfakanga ubenze balunga awubafundi bethi ushaya isandla sendele likusasa but bekusengaphumile okuganga it was 2014 wena magenge enza inhlekelelo yokubanga wasifutha empilini wasigeza wazenza abantu wasinika ukudla saqedza sakhoshela izandla but awuliphosanga ithawula waqhubeka nekusakha lakhanye likusasa alezakhe izandla on behalf of Vlamasang we want to say thank you njangase sizokukhumbula ngemsebenzi yakho dinane hamba kahle njangase mgazi sobethu isithule isikandaba isikandaba esathi namakhosi akathi isikandaba namhlonge nandaba kome yafuse emdala umsila safuse kade ubonye awuziyeke badakele ziyiweni bavuma mhlambe zonke iziyane zamaswati yani sakamfumele ekhotheni umhlane wabona sindomza kaMahlalela zawubabaza sathi awu umhlane omhle kanje shoyihlo wena lo wakho umlaza ngamevo somlambo mageba ndabezitha hamba kahle njangase hamba kahle mkazi